What's this I see? It's a wire, Lucy. Oh, shit. There's baby. Wake up, baby. Lucy blends in with a blanket. You can't even hardly see her. And there's Carter, and she's like, I'm not about no tomfoolery. She's the mom. She just chills and lays, and she's very relaxed. The rest of them, kind of wild. See, I didn't even think she was about to do that. Maya just went under the bed. See, she's like, yeah, it's a hand. Okay. She don't care. For sisters, they have such a different personality. Baby and Lucy came from the same litter. Different mom. When I say Carter's a mom, it's just because she mothers them. She's the oldest one. But them two, siblings, and you cannot even tell. Number one, she's a tuxedo. She's part tortoiseshell, and Tabby, it looks like. My girlfriend thought she was dumb, and I was like, no, she's not dumb. Baby's actually really smart. The way she approaches things might give that impression, though. But I've sat and watched her, and she's very inquisitive, and she's very pensive. She likes to think things through in probably multiple scenarios, if I had to guess. She's not dumb, she's smart. She's still a kitten, though, at heart. She drives Carter crazy. And Ikers down here, they